everyone, how you all doing? Lily's waving. Kaya's there. Who we got over there? I'm not sure who all can see.
Hi.
Has it got you all on? Tina's just sorting the kids' breakfast out. And then we'll be doing our breakfast, bacon and egg, as usual. But look at this today. Not sure what you can see.
It's icy.
Icy. Bit of the mist from the sea. But we've got the sun coming out. We've got blue sky up there. So, nice day today and we're going out. We are going to Mablethorpe. Going to a big play area that I found yesterday.
It's called Cheeky.
And yeah, place called Cheeky Monkeys, and then obviously we'll probably have a walk around as well. So, yep, so that's the plans for this morning. Obviously, if there's anyone new to the channel, that's one thing I remembered that I was meant to say on Wednesday today. Obviously, any of you are new, I'm Jamie. That's Tina. We've got Andrew and Harvey over there. Kaya, our neighbour. And Lily, our other neighbour.
Well, not neighbour. She lives a few doors down. But
Well, same thing.
no, she practically lives in the house, so
Yeah.
might as well call her in the door.
Yeah.
So those are the plans today. We're going to come along with us and we'll take you to Mablethorpe. Obviously, we're going to have something to eat first. We'll have to shoot so because it's 9:30. They've got up at 8.
So
So,
toast be alright.
I got up at like 7.
yeah, won't be under there if I couldn't. So, those are the plans. So, hopefully, looking like my phone wasn't wrong, we've got a couple of nice days coming. We've got sun and that coming out today, the blue sky, so it'll be a nice day. Obviously, it'll be chilly. And then, obviously, same again tomorrow. Lily? No. And then, obviously, we're going to take you and have a look probably on the beach tomorrow. Because I've got a tank on the beach here that's from the war. And apparently it's all a bit of history there, so we'll take a look at that tomorrow.
The caravan.
And we're going to entertainment hopefully tonight because I've got a few things on. So yeah, we might as well catch you in a bit. Probably know that when I'm cooking, as usual. So catch you soon. Love you all the bits. Ta-da.
Bye.
Oh, another day and more bacon. Got the eggs to follow. Oh yes, can't beat bacon and egg in the morning. Can you? Hello?
Hello.
To everyone this morning. So yeah, gonna get this cooking and then eat this and get dressed and go out. So I'll catch you in a bit. Oh, I just turned them over. I've had to turn them that way now, see, because one's cooking faster than the other. Gonna have to do some cleaning up as well at some point soon because we're getting a bit of grease everywhere. And we've got sausage tonight with my own scallops in there, so looking forward to that. So, catch you shortly. No, the eggs are in. Got a bit too much oil in there now. That'll be from the bacon. And a little bit of an extra one split there. But they're nearly done. Oh, look at the runny egg. Look at that. I always make a good egg, me. Mine's popped just there. Oh, is it nice?
Yeah.
Yeah. As usual, it's nice. So, we'll catch you when we're on the road. Ta-da. Look guys, we're in Mablethorpe. Finally got here. Obviously we can't go and see Neil and Danamaz. We might see him, we don't know yet. Look at the weather. Gorgeous day today, so a good day for it. And this car park we're in, highly recommend this place. £4 all day. £4. Be better if I had my tripod, but oh well. But £4, hopefully you can see me, I can't tell with the sun. But £4. So, we're going to shoot. I'm going to shoot off there and we'll catch you in a minute. I haven't got my tripod, so you might hear some wind noise because we're literally just on the coast.
Well, you've got your tripod, but no more.
Yeah. But this car park is just off the high street. You come right down the bottom of the high street where the arcades are, and it's a junction just before the seafront. You come down and you'll see it. So, yeah, we'll catch you when we're in the town centre. Ta-da. Here guys, in another gift shop here. Come to the gift shop as soon as we get here. Look at what Tina's found. A talking Dumbo.
Tina, get here.
30
Big
quid.
talking Dumbo. First thing we come to, and talking Dumbo she sees.
£30, it's on the wall.
I know. But look what else we found. Let me turn the camera around.
Tina, the back is on.
Christmas tree. Celebrating Christmas at Mablethorpe already. Just going to see what these are doing. But just quickly, because it's people in here, show you the shop. Lovely shop, look at that.
Where's he gone?
Nothing but toys and gifts.
Harvey, come here.
Loads. There's Tina. Say hi, babe.
Hiya. Showing that big one.
I can't, there's people there. I'll have to show you this big one. Hang on. Just quickly, before someone gets there, there's a big Dumbo she spotted. Well, Lily found it.
Come here.
Didn't she?
Yeah.
Shop we've just been in is here, look. That's where we've just been. Crossing on. High Street's here. You just come down past this arcade here and the parking's just down there. And you'll see these just before, and you'll see the sign up there saying parking. Oh, this is a lovely shop. I'm going to show you more in a bit. We're at the back of it at the minute. Oh, Tina's where you all go. Oh. Goes right back here as well. They've got all sorts. They've got a bit of everything, pictures, cups, everything. Trying to avoid getting people in. Look. Oh. Some of these here, all garden stuff, like insect sticks, statues, but wait till you see the other end of the shop. Which? I know. Say hiya!
And that's for my... Say it. For my princess.
Yeah.
Adventures.
Harvey! Hiya!
What's the matter?
There's Kaya.
Yeah, we'll go.
Yeah, soon. And they've got magnets over there by looks, so we'll check them out in a minute. Look at all these magnets they've got all on here.
Read that. Labrador.
Oh. And then you've got more to the sides as you go into the shop. And then some down the side. You've got everything you need for your garden. Everything's lovely in here.
How much are these?
And now we're down to the bottom section. Look at the dragon. All the foxes.
Oh, there.
Yeah, the big one, Andrew. And just quickly here, I'm having to avoid people as well. Look at this, all the colours, look. Lantern. That's nice. Like all the lights, mate. And all the statues here that must light up as well. Look at these here, all these animal statues. It's you!
I'm not cheating.
Oh, the meerkats, look at them.
Oh. For the swan.
That's not a swan. That pink thing.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's going to be a laugh now.
You don't.
Andrew thinks that's a swan. It's a flamingo.
See this dog's face?
I know, don't be pulling them about.
58 quid.
Yeah. And you've got a little tree here with all the, looks like key rings or hanging things you can use. Oh, it's a lovely shop this. These are the sort of things I like.
And dogs.
I know, there's loads, isn't there, mate?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that there, the eagle. That's one I love. And you've got smaller ones there. What we got here, Harvey?
Yeah.
Look at all this. This is a beautiful shop. If you're coming to Mablethorpe, you've got to come in here. I'll show you the outside in a minute. Look at the fox down there, Harvey. It's asleep. And then you've got little plaques here as well, look. Move, Andrew.
What's I know?
Up on the top shelf there. Hang on.
Oh yeah, no, I can see.
Fox there.
Oh, it's cat.
Oh, look at the panda.
Oh.
Little monkeys hanging. Oh, it's a lovely, lovely shop, this.
What's that one?
All your cats. Anyone that likes your cats?
Hello.
Beautiful tiger up there. That's you.
That's not me.
It is, I beat you to it.
Look at all the baby monkeys.
Yeah, just give me a minute, Andrew. I can't be waving it like this, no one will see anything.
Sloth.
There's a swan, Andrew. And down there. Andrew.
Oh, right.
Down there. Oh, it's nice, isn't it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh,
Oh, look at these here.
Harvey, you come here.
Hello, Mr. Tortoise. Oh!
Hey,
There's Andrew. Looks like him too, look, in there. Let's get a picture of you, shall we, Andrew? Smile.
I'm not one.
And look at the size of these tortoises here. It's alright, move that way.
Oh my.
Oh, what's up, Kaya?
sorry, love.
This is what the shop's called. I can't get it all in camera, so I'll have to go along. And it's just next door to a place called, an arcade called Bibby's. Oh, this shop's a little bit naughty, we just walked into. Oopsie. Big shop. Oh no. Yeah, this is the one that Neil came into. That's another YouTuber, by the way. If you want to go and check them out, it's Campsite Warden Neil Taylor. I remember him coming in, all the different flavoured rocks. Iron brew. This place is huge as well, look at it. It's absolutely huge. I was gobsmacked. Hi, Harvey.
Hi, may I have some cars?
Massive.